Hi, I'm Lisa Leiter. Here's your Chicago Business Today midday report. Filming of the new Superman movie, Man of Steel, lands in Chicago today. Two downtown buildings will be playing the role of the Daily Planet. The Chicago Board of Trade will portray the exterior of the fictional newspaper office, and the Willis Tower will be the interior of the newsroom where superhero alter ego Clark Kent works as a reporter. The filming in Chicago is set to take place between now and September 18th, but few details are available. We don't know yet whether any filming will be taking place on streets or other public sites. The movie just wrapped up a month's worth of shooting in and around Plano, which became the fictional Smallville, where Superman grew up. Well, after reports surfaced yesterday that Groupon is canceling its planned roadshow for next week and postponing its initial public offering, the question is, what's next for the Chicago-based Daily Deal company? Groupon had been planning to go public in mid to late September after filing for a $750 million offering in June. Since then, some on Wall Street have been questioning Groupon's financial disclosures. Others are concerned about its eye-popping growth. On top of that, the stock market has been extremely volatile. Then there's the possible scrutiny by the Securities and Exchange Commission. CEO Andrew Mason's recently leaked memo to employees blasted critics and contained some financial information. Yesterday, I spoke with blogger and technology consultant Raghi Agrawal, who compared the leaked memo to one by Wired magazine when it tried to go public and failed to do so in 1996.
I think it reflects a lot of inexperience, and I can't imagine any securities lawyer on the planet approving what they did with the Andrew Mason memo. That had to have been against the advice of counsel, or their counsel is really bad. That's just not something that you can do.
Agrawal also said that if Groupon does not go public soon, it may have to raise money in the private markets.
They will probably have to go to private markets to raise some more capital to keep the company going. And I think if they can do that, they can refocus the business on the categories that work. And there are some categories that work. And if they can do that, I think they can have a successful, profitable, smaller business.
Groupon was expected to fetch a $20 billion valuation upon its stock market debut. The company declined to comment to Crain's on the reports. Well, news today that 400 jobs will be added to the city of Chicago. Staffing company Seton Corp is expanding its Clybourne Corridor headquarters. The new hires will include programmers, recruiters, and account managers, and mainly serve new clients in its People Scout business. Mayor Emanuel has been busy making job announcements since taking office in May, involving companies such as JPMorgan Chase, General Electric, Allscripts, Motorola, United Continental, and Walgreens. And finally, in real estate news, City Winery is planning its second national location in the West Loop. The New York-based restaurant, winery, and concert venue is planning to buy 1200 West Randolph Street. The company would not say how much it paid for the building, but did say it plans to spend $3 million to upgrade the property and hopes to be open next spring. Initially, City Winery was looking at the former Carson Pirie Scott building on State Street, but financing didn't come together in time. Well, that's a look at today's headlines for Chicago Business Today. For more on these stories, be sure to stick with chicagobusiness.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.